Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're tackling a straightforward guide on how to withdraw Litecoin from Uphold to Bitmart in 2025. If you're looking to move your crypto assets around, this step-by-step tutorial will help you do it securely and efficiently. Whether you're a beginner or have some experience, I'll break it down so it's easy to follow. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Uphold and Bitmart. Start by logging into your Uphold account. Once you're in, navigate to your wallet section and select Litecoin. You'll see your Lieutenant Colonel balance there. Double check that you have enough to cover any withdrawal fees. Next, head over to Bitmart. Log in to your Bitmart account and go to the deposit section for Litecoin. Generate or copy your Litecoin deposit address. It's crucial to use the correct network, like the Litecoin network, to avoid any issues. Pro tip: always verify the address to prevent sending funds to the wrong place. That could mean losing your crypto forever. Now, jump back to Uphold. In your Litecoin wallet, find the withdraw option. Paste the deposit address you copied from Bitmart into the recipient field. Enter the amount of Litecoin you want to withdraw, making sure it's above any minimum thresholds. You'll see a fee estimate, so keep an eye on that to understand the costs involved. Before you hit confirm, review everything one last time. This includes the address, amount, and network details. Once you're good, confirm the withdrawal. You'll get a confirmation email or notification, and the transaction should process within a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. A few quick tips for 2025. Crypto regulations might change, so stay updated on Uphold and Bitmart's policies. Always enable two-factor authentication for added security, and never share your private keys. If you're new to this, start with a small amount to test the waters. And there you have it. That's how you withdraw Litecoin from Uphold to Bitmart. If this helped you out, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop a comment if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Stay safe out there in the crypto world.